I'm Sarah, and this is Creative Ramblings. Today, I'm going to show you how to create this blanket ladder. This is a simple project using 2x4s and some basic tools. If you like simple, inspiring projects, be sure to subscribe to Creative Ramblings for new videos every week. Let me show you how to make this blanket ladder.
Start by cutting your wood. You'll need 2 6-foot lengths of 2x4 and 4 18-inch pieces to make up the rungs. Lay them on a large flat surface and align everything just how you want it. You can use a square and a level to make sure everything is square and level before you start attaching your pieces. I used 2.5-inch screws and a drill. I started by drilling pilot holes through the ends of my ladder into the rungs, and then added the screws, 2 on each side for each rung. Do one side first, then flip that ladder up and finish the screws on top. Once your ladder is built, you can paint it. I added 2 coats of this outdoor living paint to my blanket ladder, let it dry, and then set it up in my living room.
I hope that video inspired you to make your own blanket ladder. I love having this in my living room and having a nice place to display my blankets, but also a really functional piece where we can just easily pull them off and use them. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple, inspiring projects.